Hey guys, Adam Winch here with Defenders USA. I'm at the Ted's shooting range in Queen Creek, Arizona. As you guys know, I just recently moved to this area here, and Ted's has a fantastic range here, a gun store. They even have a training program. So in one way, we're actually competing with each other in the training venue, but they have a great gun store. It looks like their training is good. I haven't been through any of their training yet. They have an incredible staff of people, and they have a huge selection of guns and gun stuff here, and they just have a lot of knowledgeable people here. So I want to introduce you to Ted's shooting range, and it looks like we're going to be doing some work with Ted's here. In fact, the owner of this place is going to be coming through our long-range course that we're doing here, our long-range precision one. We're doing it in March and down here in the Phoenix area, and the owner and one other employee here is going to be attending that with us. So in the meantime, I'm starting to collaborate with Ted's, and they're letting me today start shooting on their range, doing both filming and gun stuff. So I think this is going to be a budding partnership, right? A la Casablanca here. And it looks like you're going to see a lot of videos coming from Ted's shooting range. And if I can, I want to include some of the employees from here, specifically JT. You haven't met him yet, you will, and some others here, because I think they got some ninjas with guns here too. So hopefully we'll have a collaboration working there. I just wanted to introduce it to you. So again, Adam Winch, Defenders USA at Ted's shooting range today, Queen Creek, Arizona.